Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome to day 20 of Integral a Day. So today we are starting on, I'm wanting to practice definite integrals. So that is where we have two limits, a and b, and we're integrating our function between those limits. I believe they're limits. It'd be wrong to say they're asymptotes or anything. I don't know, I could be speaking complete nonsense. But yeah, here we are. As we move along, I'll learn the jargon or proper words to describe them a bit better as I learn them a lot more thoroughly. However, so based off of my understanding, and I'm just giving this a shot off of memory, but I remember it being you integrate the function and then you do the top, I'm going to call them limits now, the top limit minus the bottom limit. And one of them's A, one of them's B. But all that stuff, as long as for me, it's just knowing the process and all that other stuff just comes along the way. So I picked a really easy function just so we could focus on the process of doing the definite integral. But so yeah, let's integrate this. So it's just a power rule. Minus 10 x 10 over 10 plus 2 x 1 over 1, which we can just leave as so. And then we, I think you do like a line there, doing something like this. I don't know whether, I can't remember whether you put that at the front or the bottom, but we'll do that later. And we can leave out the plus c now, which is one less thing to remember. And now what we do is we take our top limit here and we plug that in for x. So 5/3 times by 3 cubed minus 3 to the power of 10 plus 2 times by 3. And then what we do is we subtract the lower limit. So we sub the lower limit in. So here now we go 5/3. Ooh. There we are, 5/3. Oh, this all could not have picked better numbers. 2, and that's multiplied by 1. I feel like I did that wrong. I did. And now we can actually get a definite answer for the area under our curve between these two limits. I'm going to say all like these. So if we have our function, you know, where we're figuring out what the area is under our curve between 1 and 3, effectively. So we can actually get a proper value, and then we deal with the units. Okay, so now we just plug that in. So just to make this go quicker, I'm actually going to type it into my calculator. Wow, that doesn't seem right. But you know what? I literally just plugged it straight into my calculator. It's my old school one. I can't find my uni one at the moment. One I'm used to and quick at. I want it back. So we'll multiply the -1 out. So we actually we'll do that after. Figuring out what the number is. So 3. I typed it in wrong. I really don't like this calculator. Oh well. -1. That's a bit better. And now we can just turn this. So -1 times by the positive here will actually just still give us -8/3. Wow. Well, I guess we can work with that. I do not like that number there. And let's just type that in now. Actually, what? No. We can't do that. That would have been a big mistake, I think. Since, yeah, I'm not gonna. There's still a lot of little things within mathematics I'm still figuring out. It's just, it's really just, you guys know I can't speak and write at the same time. Please, that's right. Wow. Yeah, it doesn't want to turn it into a fraction for me. I don't blame it. All right, let's see. That was not a nice answer, but let's check it on Symbolab. I'm hoping I'm actually sort of wrong. I was wanting a nice number like 2, and I get that. There we are. So we have 1 down there, 3 up there. I'm sharing my screen. No, I'm not. And then we type in, oh dear, 5. And we, oh no, we 5x power of 2 minus 10x to the power of 9 plus 2 no, we don't need to do the dot here. And they go, oh, nice. Oh no, not nice. What? She thinking about that? That doesn't actually seem right here. We got a different answer, but they were subtracting exactly the same numbers as we were. So it's just me using this calculator wrong. Oh, and they did get it to a fraction. Negative. I'm just going to write it while I have it. I'm just alt tabbing. bring you guys across. So they got this as their answer, which is these two numbers subtracted. And they also said that's equal to -5,9,000.66. And I'm only going to go to 2 decimal places. But yeah, so if you got this, good work. That is awesome. Oh, and I actually want to show you guys something. Here on Symbolab, I found out that they graph it for you. So here we have, this website does everything. It's awesome. This. Yeah, so we're finding the area between 1 and 3 along our curve. This curve. And we could have gone, you know, any number along the x-axis here. Yeah. Hope you all have a lovely day or night, depending on where you are, and I'll catch you all here tomorrow for day 21 of Integral a Day.